Is your town's boundary clear? Bakun vs. Sugpon's land dispute sets precedent. Learn how the Supreme Court settled this problem in the case entitled Municipality of Bakun, Benguet, herein represented by Mayor Fausto T. Labenio, petitioner versus Municipality of Sugpon, Ilocos Sur, herein represented by Mayor Fernando C. Quinton Sr., respondent. GR number 241370. April 20, 2022.
This is the 27th case out of 160 cases decided by Associate Justice Mario Lopez, the 2024 Philippine Bar Examination Chairman. Subscribe to learn more.
Facts of the case. The dispute revolved around a 1,117.20 hectare land situated within the boundaries of Bakun, Benguet, and Sugpon, Ilocos Sur. Initially, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan issued Joint Resolution No. 1, Series of 2014, awarding the land to Bakun. Sugpon contested this decision, leading to the Regional Trial Court, RTC, reversing the resolution and adjudicating the land to Sugpon. The Court of Appeals, CA, later affirmed the RTC's decision. Bakun based its claim on Act Numbers 1646 and 2877, arguing that these laws defined the boundaries between the municipalities. However, the RTC and CA found these laws insufficient for determining precise boundaries. Sugpon, on the other hand, presented maps and certifications showing the disputed area within its jurisdiction. These included an administrative map of Benguet, a land classification map, a topographic and administrative map of Ilocos Sur, and certifications from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources and the Department of Agrarian Reform. Furthermore, Sugpon established the existence of public schools and voting centers within the disputed area, indicating administrative control. In contrast, Bakun's evidence, consisting of Act Numbers 1646 and 2877, tax declarations, and voter registration lists, was deemed inadequate to establish the modified boundary line covering the disputed areas.
Legal issue of the case. The primary legal issue that reached the Supreme Court was the determination of territorial jurisdiction over a disputed 1,117.20 hectare parcel of land located between the Municipality of Bakun, Benguet, and the Municipality of Sugpon, Ilocos Sur.
Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court denied Bakun's petition, upholding the CA and RTC's findings. The court noted that historical and legislative references used by Bakun did not provide clear delineation of boundaries. Sugpon's documentary evidence was deemed more credible and sufficient to establish territorial jurisdiction over the disputed area.
Important doctrines. 1. Preponderance of evidence in boundary disputes. The court highlighted the importance of preponderance of evidence in resolving boundary disputes. The evidence presented by Sugpon was considered more substantial and reliable compared to Bakun's historical references. 2. Territorial jurisdiction established by administrative control. The establishment of public institutions such as schools and voting centers within a disputed area can be indicative of a municipality's territorial jurisdiction. 3. Inadequacy of historical legislative acts for boundary delineation. The court found that historical legislative acts, like Act Numbers 1646 and 2877, were not precise enough to resolve modern boundary disputes between municipalities, emphasizing the need for clear and specific boundary delineations.